Open up these school folders with me. I got these for my son. He's going into middle school, and I wanted him to have some good quality folders. These would also be great for my daughter who's in elementary school. But one of the reasons why I got them specifically is because they will go into a 3-ring binder really easily and can be used in or outside of a 3-ring binder as a folder. So they're really great for that. Open up, you have your 2 folder sides. You have a little spot for a business card if you want to use these for something outside of school. So just very clean, simple folders. They're slightly transparent. They're definitely on the bendy side. I really like that specifically for a 3-ring binder. That's really well designed. As you're flipping through all the pages and everything, these will flip through as well while keeping what's in them contained. And they come in a lot of bright colors. You have this bright red here, this bright orange, bright yellow. This is more of a dark turquoise green. And then you have a blue and a purple. So a full rainbow of colors, great way to separate subjects. These are really wonderful. I definitely recommend them.